everyone, it is Holly with Never Quite Perfect, where I like to talk about drinks, tea and cocktails, cocktails and tea. Sometimes it's just one, sometimes it's both. Tonight we will be talking about tea. And I have my little helper here. We have 3 teas that we will be tasting tonight and letting you know what we think. The first up is Adagio Tea's November 1st tea for their community. This is the Golden Spring tea. It is a delicate but surprising China black tea from the Fujian province. Harvested early in the spring, downy golden curled buds are interspersed throughout this majestic tea, evoking visual color play between gold and black, richly sweet jam and carob aroma. Smooth, decadent, and very savory texture, with notes of currants and roasted apples to lighten it up. Softly dry astringency, very in balance with a satisfyingly smooth texture, a pure sensory delight to the palate. Well, that sounds delicious.
Can I read the second tea?
So let's see what it tastes like.
Never mind. Is it hot?
It's warm, it's not hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot. She was right for once.
I told you it's warm, not hot. She doesn't believe me. What do you think? It's definitely a black tea.
Tastes, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Do you?
It's a little
Tastes like it needs something.
cream.
Want me to go grab it?
Sure, go grab a cream. Grab a spoon too, please.
I'll be back.
It's a little bitter. Not bad. A little taste of something there I can't place. Like caramelly almost.
Okay. Got the cream. Here you go.
Did you get a spoon?
No.
Alright, I will pour because it's on top of my laptop.
You don't trust me for some reason. I'm not messy at all.
Oh no, not you.
Yeah, not me.
Alright.
Tastes like a little better.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's a black tea. It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. I'll drink it, but I won't buy more. Okay, next up.
No.
Be careful, that's open.
No, wait.
Which one do you want to do next?
I guess this one.
Can I show it to him first?
Yeah.
So here's what we are doing next. This is the next 2 teas are chais because in November, I want to do more chai teas just because I love chai and November is a good month for chai.
Okay, I can't say the name.
Tulsi Masala chai, stress relieving and enlivening by Organic India.
It contains caffeine.
Well, yeah. Here it is.
Does it need anything this time?
I think it might, some cream. It's good. It's a good chai. I like chais as lattes though.
It smells good. Yeah, definitely needs creamer.
Needs creamer?
Yep.
Let's put a little bit of cream in there. Don't mind my dogs.
Doo-doo.
Spam risk calling.
How dare they?
Don't they know I'm busy? I like that. You can taste the cloves and the pepper and oh, it's good. It's good. She doesn't like chai. She's making faces. So I'm guessing you don't like this one? I won't have to fight her for this one. All right.
Let's just get this over with. I want to read it.
Rainy Day Tea Company.
Okay.
This came from the Sips by Chai box.
This is a Cozy Cloud Chai. Has no caffeine, lightly spiced green chai, Oh, green tea. I don't know how to say that. Cinnamon, almonds, pistachios, contains nuts, obviously. What's that word?
Cardamom.
Thank you. Yes. Okay.
Again, it's a chai, so we'll see what kind of face she makes.
I don't like chai, but I love lattes.
Careful.
I don't care.
It says, low caffeine, a lightly spiced green chai is the perfect tea to chase the clouds away. Cozy and warm like your favorite sweater, this blend of cardamom, cinnamon, almond, and pistachio is deliciously unique. Ingredients: green tea, cardamom, cinnamon, almonds, pistachios. Contains nuts. I will insert a picture of this tea in there because this one was a loose leaf. I forgot to get a picture of the Golden Spring before
How
I
dare you.
steeped it. I have to start remembering to do that. I'm bad at pictures.
She is.
So, yes, this came from the Sips by Chai box. So did this one.
And then what?
Let me taste it again.
I don't like it.
I like this. It's different. It's a subtle chai. I think because of the green tea and having the nuts in there, the cinnamon and cardamom.
Well, you can enjoy your chai. I'm good with my normal teas.
I like it. Let's try it with a little cream because
I may try it with a little cream.
chais are always better with a little cream. Just my opinion.
Of course. Get the clean spoon. Pineapple.
I actually think I like that one better without the cream.
I'm sorry. I'm spoiling it.
What do you think? She's still making faces.
Okay.
Still don't like it? I like it. I actually like this one better without the cream. But now I know. So those are the 3 teas for tonight. I will have reviews on them up on my blog. Maybe by the time this is up. I don't know. It's been a crazy week. It's still early. But those are the 3. So Golden Spring. It's okay. Nothing special for me anyway. Tulsi Masala chai. This one was good. I like this. I think I would like it a little stronger with cream. Just me. Cozy Cloud Chai by the Rainy Day Tea Company. I think I want this one a little stronger next time too. But
I don't like chai, so.
they were good. I'll try the Cozy Cloud Chai stronger and see what I think before I decide if I want to order any or not. So that one's a maybe. The Organic India Tulsi Masala Chai, I actually have a box of that already. I got at Sprouts, so it was funny that it came in my Sips by box too. That's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will talk to you later.